All right, here's another great practice drill. This one is particularly designed to learn speed control. And what I did was I laid out, you see the solid balls along the table, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll put a diagram up so you can see exactly where to lay them out. They're at certain diamond points. They're every second diamond. So don't forget, all the pockets count as a diamond. So what we want to do here is a lag shot would be when you're playing in tournaments or the pros, semi-pros, and a lot of people, especially playing straight pool, lag shot is you're going to hit the cue ball up to the end rail. You want to come back, and whoever's closest to this back rail would actually, it's their turn to break, or they choose whether or not they want to break. This is zone 1, in here zone 2, up in here is zone 3, and zone 4, and so on. You could actually lay out nine particular zones, and 9 speed would be your break shot speed, to just give you a general idea. So let's what I like to do with this drill is I get 10 pennies, I lay them out, keep them out of the way, and for each time that I make the cue ball into the zone I want, I take a penny, move it to the other side. When I don't make it, I take a penny, push it all the way to the other side. So at the end, I want to get at least 7 out of 10, 70%. So I use the pennies to just keep track. All right, let's go ahead and take a lag shot. This would be speed 1. All right, so I made it within the zone I want. So I take penny, move it to one side. And I would continue on, shoot all 10 shots, and then see how many pennies you have in your, let's call it the positive side, the ones that you made, versus the negative side. You want to have 7 or more pennies in your positive side. And then you move on to the next one. We're going to try for speed 2. All right, so that one fell basically right in the center of my 1 and 2 ball, which is zone 2, speed 2. So again, I would take a penny, move it over to the one side, and again, same routine, continue that. Let's go ahead and try for speed 3. Speed 3 is probably the most common speed that the general public would hit the cue ball, on most shots at least. So 3 should be like the easiest speed for most people. And there we go. Made it into that zone. Here's my line. I've made it over it. So anywhere between the 2 ball and the 3 ball is zone 3. So again, same thing. Guess what? We take a penny, move it over to the other side. Take 10 shots doing that. And again, you just progress up the table. So even though there's only 4 balls out here, this is actually 5 speeds. So remember, 1 speed is the cue ball, the end rail, come back, and it could stop anywhere from here. It could hit the rail and come off, and that's still within zone 1, speed 1. Here is speed 2. Out over here is going to be your speed 3. Out over here is speed 4, and speed 5 has to hit the rail and comes back. So that's the key, because 1 diamond to the corner, and from the corner back to that diamond is 2 diamonds, and that's what the rest of the balls are spread out. So that would be speed 5. So practice this drill. It's great to learn speed control. Honestly, it's one of the best, and it's fun when you use the pennies. It just gives you basic goal to achieve. So 7 out of 10, you're doing a great job. Anything better, you're doing an excellent job. So I practice this at least twice a week. Keeps me sharp, and I'm sure it'll help you tremendously.